Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 70 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet, tap Get Started. Now install Wallet if you don't have it installed, or update it from the Google Pay. As you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards to your Google account, manage your passes, and check quick tips. Also, you can add new passes like transport pass, loyalty, and gift card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, contactless setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks, and manage your passwords in Password Manager. In your data in Wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.